Hello everyone, it's me ASMR welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial, and today I'll show you the photo editing process. So that is the brown and teal presets and how to make it out like this to this. That means the before one was like that and after one you're getting like that. So if I make it zoom, before one and after one, totally artistic look and the outdoor fashion portrait photography or fashion photography, whatever you can tell. So how to make it out or how to edit like that. So let's start the tutorial. If you are new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. So I'm closing it up and go to the file and open it up. This one is my image, actually this image. So this image credit goes to Johnny Brothers just because of he got this picture and he gave me this photo for editing and make the preset. That's why I'm using this photo for the editing purpose. So this one is camera raw or raw image, that means CR2, and open it up. After opening the image, press Ctrl J, and then here is some like rugged skin. That's why I'll make it smooth. How to make it out? It's too much easy. Go to the filter, photo toolbox, skin finer. Skin finer is plugins of the Photoshop. It's used for the skin smoothing, and if you want to know more about the skin finer, I'll give you the detailed video download link or video link in my video description. I'm making it zoom, and before one you are getting some spot or rugged skin, but in this photo you're getting smooth skin. So amount of smoothing I'll increase, and fine, I'll make it like that. And here is the tone of the skin or skin tone. I'll make it like this, and saturation I'll make it -11 like that, and brightness a little bit down, and contrast a little bit up, and shadow will be like that, and brightness a little bit down. It will be more prominent than the before one, and hit the OK button. So it will take time to load it up and give you the output. So yeah, that's fine. And then I'll add the shadow and highlighting, that is the dodge burning process for the prominent light of the photo. So press Ctrl J and J. So one layer is for the highlight and another layer is for shadow. So turning off the shadow layer, select the highlight layer. After that, make the blending mode to screen, right press and blending options. From here, just find out the highlighted area of the face by using this underlining layer, and press the Alt button, divide this slider and adjust the light with the face and like that, and hit OK. So make it mask and go to the image, apply image and hit OK. So we got one thing, that means highlight one. And now the shadow one, go to the blending mode, make it multiply, and then right press blending options. From here again underlining layer and find out the shadow of the face and other stuffs. Press the Alt button and divide this one and adjust the shadow with the face and hit OK. So same thing, mask it, image and apply image and make it invert and hit OK. So we got two layers, make it group and make it mask. After masking that, image, apply image, uncheck the invert option and hit OK. So we're getting the light prominently, and after that take a new blank layer and go to the gradient options and select this gradient, last one, and just adjust the gradient like that. Press Ctrl T and make it more bigger. So that's fine and hit OK. So after that, select these three layers and make it group and make it merge. Now I will apply the camera raw preset which I made it earlier. So go to the filter and camera raw filter. So camera raw filter is a plugins of the Photoshop, and if you are the user of the Creative Cloud version, you are getting the camera raw filter by default. Otherwise you have to install it manually. If you want to get the install file, please check out my video description. I'll give you the download link of the camera raw download or settings download. Please check out my video description. So go to the small menu and load settings options, and I'll provide you the art.2 this one XMP file and open it up. Yeah, that's fine. and if you need you can change all the things. So here I'll decrease the saturation or variance, so decrease that, and then increase the highlight, actually the exposure, yeah, that's fine, the variance as well, and decrease the clarity if you need actually. So you have that assumption to adjust all the things, so it's not mandatory to make it reduce that. It's up to your photography what will be like that. So you're getting like that, all the assumption are here. So let's see what is the settings. At first, camera calibration, here I use -12, the hue of the primary red color and hue of the primary green color 42, and the saturation -5, blue primary color that is -25 and -24. And FX I use little bit FX, if you need you couldn't, or you can use that, it's up to you. Then the split toning, this one is most important here. So split toning, the highlight value of hue that is 105 and saturation 19, and the balance is 0, and hue of the shadow 275 and the saturation 7. And then the HSL panel, the saturation that is red saturation 44, orange saturation that is -11, luminance of noise reduction, actually the red luminance that is +12, and the orange luminance that is 24, and hue that is okay. And the sharpening, amount of sharpening 73, and luminance of noise reduction 46, and the tone curve, the RGB tone curve will be like that, and the red tone curve I didn't touch that, green tone curve will be like that, and the basic, the temperature will be +3 and exposure 0.50, and highlight -100, shadow +38, and blacks 46, and clarity +3, and variance -4, saturation -12, and hit OK. So don't worry about that, I'll provide you the preset in my video description. So if you want to get the download link, please check out my video description. So you're getting nice effect over here, so that's good. Go to the adjustment layer and go to the levels and adjust the levels like that, so you can make it like that, yeah, more prominent than the previous one and after one. So before one, after, before one and after one, you are getting professional look, that is the brown and teal color. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend. And if you want to get the download link of all the resource file, please check out my video description. If you have any kind of question, query, or request, please do comment on my video comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until the next video, I am Arif signing out today. Bye.